Hi, how are everybody? This is Mr. Magdi from MIS International School. Today we are going to revise conic section. As the first one of conic section we have in the semester is what? It's an ellipse. Uh, what is ellipse and how can we analyze the graph? Okay, let us see, guys. Okay, for ellipse, we have to foci for this ellipse. How can we graph ellipse? We must have to foci. Focus here and focus here. Focus and focus. And this point is what is vertex? Center. Now my center is 0, 0. My center is 0, 0. Okay? My center is 0, 0. And we need now to graph ellipse. I'm gonna graph it like this one. Okay, guys. From center to focus called what? This one called C. And this one also C, but in opposite direction, negative C. It's okay. From center to vertex, is this one called the vertex? And this point called the other vertex. A vertex horizontal, for example, 6 and 0, it means it's a horizontal ellipse. Horizontal ellipse. Okay, also focus must follow the same direction. But the length of vertex more, it means vertex here 6 and 6 here, negative 6 and 0. My focus may be 5 and 0 and negative 5 and 0. This one called vertex A, which is A, and this one negative A. This one called from vertex to vertex called the major axis. Major axis. Major axis, it's 2A. Major axis, it's 2. Now let's see B. Where is B from covertex to covertex? This one called the covertex. And this one also covertex. This length is B. We have two rules in this situation, guys, and we discussed it and we proved it inside the class. But now we're gonna use what? We're gonna use the rule only. X square over A square. A square, this one what? Have measure axis or length from, look, from vertex, from center to vertex. This one called A, guys. This one. Plus y square over B squared equal to 1. A now bigger than B. A bigger than B. Okay? It means A is the greatest. A is the greatest. A is a bigger number. A here, in this case, my bigger A with X, it means it's a horizontal ellipse. It's a horizontal ellipse. And also you must use this one to relate X1. The A square equal B square plus C squared. What is A, guys? From center to vertex. What is B? From center to co-vertex, perpendicular to A. What is C? From center to focus. This one about the horizontal ellipse. Vertical ellipse. Vertical ellipse. I'll graph it like this one. Like this one. Then I have this one now, vertex. Look, vertex was Y, guys. Vertex was Y. It means A was Y. How does this one affect on the equation? My equation became x square over b square, and a square was what? Was y square. Now it's a vertical ellipse. This one, vertical ellipse. Okay, relation between A, B, and C. Now this is B, guys. Now this is B. Now this is B. This one co-vertex, and this one A. And the focus also must follow the vertex, but less than. It means A square equal B square plus C square. And C, by the way, is the length from center to focus. From center to focus, this one called C, and it must be in opposite direction. If my vertex is zero and it means it's a vertical ellipse. It means it's a vertical ellipse. The last one, guys, if we move it left, right, up, down, it's gonna be like this one. X minus h squared over a squared plus x minus k square. Hk, guys, is vertex. Hk is vertex. It means if my ellipse moved like this one, it's gonna move, for example, h to right and k and k. Okay, let us see some example from your sheet. Okay, this is what we discussed, the guide, but this two, guys, is the transformed one. Is the transformed one. We got all of this from graph. Okay. Let us see, guys, what do we have here? What is this? Okay. Now, guys, let us see what do we have. What do I have? What is the equation in form? Okay. Which foci? I give you foci. Foci. Foci what? Negative 3, 0, and 3, 0. Is this vertical or horizontal? Yes, it's horizontal. It means my ellipse is horizontal. It means x, a square with x. I need this one. X square over a square plus y square over b square equal to 1. Why? Because my focus is a horizontal one. And for which the sum of distance from foci to any point, this sum of distance, guys, this one, if you see it for ellipse, this is definition of ellipse, which is 2a. 2a is 12, it means a is 6. Now I give you what? I give you vertices. My vertices 6, 0, and the negative 6, 0. Why? Because the sum of distance to a foci, this is the sum of vertices, and we proved this one in class. Now I have, if I give you focus, I give you what? I have C3. If I give you vertex, I give you what? My A is 6. How can we get B square equal? A square minus C square, right? What is A squared? 36 minus 9. Makes what, guys? Makes 27 or 3 radical 3. Makes 27. It means B square is 27. How can we make a quotient? To make a quotient, it's gonna be x squared over my a squared. It's what? It's 36 plus y squared over b squared, which is what? 27. Now I made the equation. Now we made the equation, guys. X squared over 36. Look, if you can see this one bigger than this one. Why? Because it's a horizontal ellipse. Okay, guys. Let us proceed. Try it. Graph. How could we graph ellipse, guys? How could we graph ellipse? To graph ellipse, let us see. The bigger here with white means that this is vertical. This is vertical. By the way, it's gonna be sketch. Okay. My A now is 100. A squared is 100. It means my A is what? 10 up 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the down 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now I get a point here and a point. This one A, guys. My B is what? B square is 64. It means B is 8. I'll go right 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the left 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means this is negative 8 and this is 10 and this is negative 10. and you join it like this one, guys. Now this is my ellipse. I need to locate foci. How could we locate foci? I need C square equal A square minus B square. It means 100 minus 64. Next what? 36. C square. It means my focus. 6 and 0 or 0 and 6? Looks like vertex. This is vertex. It means the focus 0 and what? 0 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is focus 6. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. And this is also focus, guys. Okay, guys, now we use the vertex. Vertex, we use the co-vertex to graph what? To graph your ellipse. Okay, and this one horizontal, guys, because the greater was x. It means I go right. This a square is 16. It means my a is 4. I'll go right 4 and left 4. And the b square is 8. I'll go up to radical 2 and down to radical 2, or you can use your calculator to get b only. B only radical 8. Radical 8 by using calculator, it's what? Radical 8. Radical 8 equal 2.8. It's what? It's a 2.8, guys. It means 2.8. 2.8. It means my B is 2.8. This one 2.8 and this one 2.8. And you can get the focus also, which is what? C square equal A square minus B squared. 16 minus 8, it's also but horizontal one. Horizontal, this is focus, guys. 2.8 here. Okay, this one is B, not F. Okay, guys. Now, what is a graph ellipse represented by each? We finish. We finish the graph, guys. So now, what is the equation of ellipse at foci? If I give you foci, I give you what? I give you C. C is negative 12, or you can take it 12 and passes through points. And that, the equation of ellipse. Ellipse 0. This is foci. And the passes through point negative 5, 0, and 5, 0. What is this one, guys? What is this one? What do you think? What is this one, guys? And the passes through point negative 5, 0, and 5, 0. What is this one? My focus vertical. It means the horizontal one is what? Or x-intercept. What is x-intercept here? This is B. This is B. Now, guys, this is B. I have B is what? B is 5. Okay, guys. What is the equation of an ellipse which foci at 0, 12? This is supposed to be foci somewhere here on Y. Foci, this one 12, this one negative 12. Supposed to be my vertex here, vertical. And he said, this one cut x-axis at this two. Look, the distance, the middle between these 2 points is what? Is the center. It means this 2 point, it's a co-vertex. It means it's a B. It means this 5 is B. It means now B5. And C focal length, which is what? 12. Can we get A? Yes, great. How could we get A? A square equal B squared plus C squared. B squared plus C squared means by A squared, that's what? 225 plus 144 plus 25. A square equal B square, my B is 25, 25 plus C square 144. It makes 169. This is A squared. Okay, guys, this A, which is 13 now, was what? It means my equation, like this one. X square over 25 plus Y square over 169 equal to, I got A. Now the main idea of this problem to determine this is B. This is B. Why? Because this point intersected x-axis. And the midpoint between them is the same vertex between two foci. Let's proceed to number B. Okay, to number B, guys. Uh, it's written, what is the equation of an ellipse centered at origin? Origin, center, that's okay. If the sum of distance of two foci, it means 2c is 30. It means 1c is what? 15 grade. And the vertical minor axis, it means the minor axis is vertical. It means the major axis horizontal. It means it's what? Horizontal ellipse. Like this. My minor axis 24, it means this one 12, this one 12. It means it's also given B. 2B is 24, it means 1B is what? 12. Now I need A. A square equal B square plus C square. It means 144 plus 225, which is 15 square, 12 square. Makes what? 9, 6, 3. Again. Okay. The distance of two foci 30. It means divide 2, it's a 15. It means C 15. And the vertical minor axis 24. It means the divide 2, it's what? 12. It means 15 square plus 12 square. Calculator. I'm gonna use calculator. 15 square plus 12 square makes 369. Makes 369. This is A square. 369. A squared is 369. And he said 144. Okay, this one x squared over y squared, which is equal to what? To 1. Okay, guys, this is for number B. This is for number B. Let's proceed. What is the equation of an ellipse center at origin and that has horizontal axis 12 long and the vertical axis 22? Horizontal axis, it means 6 and 6. Vertical axis, it means 11 and 11. The vertical is vertical, it means the greatest was y. Greatest was y, which is what? 121, 11 squared. And the horizontal axis is what? Is B 36. Equal to what? Equal to 1. Okay, guys. He said horizontal axis 12 and the vertical axis 22. Vertical axis more than horizontal axis. It means it's what? A vertical. It means A was Y. And the other one is B, by the way. Okay. What is the equation of an ellipse with foci at? Okay. And the passes through point. Now this one, foci, it means it's a C. And this one, it's what? It's a B, and we do like previous. Now, graph the ellipse. Okay, now guys, concentrate, please. Here's this one transformant. I need the center. Where is the center? Center of ellipse. which is what? Change x and the change y. 1 and the negative 2. Means we run 1, down negative 2. This is my center. From center, I go up, down, and the left, right with A and B. Let us see. The greater with what? With Y. It means my A vertical. A square is what? A square is 36. It means A is 6. I'll go up 6. This is negative 1, negative 2. This is 1. Here 1, 2, 3. And down. Negative 3. Negative 4. Negative 5. Negative 6. Negative 7. Negative 8. Okay, guys. Now, from this vertex, I'll go up, down with A. I'll go up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I end up with what? With 4. It means 1, 4 vertex. The other vertex, I'll go down 6. 1. This is vertex. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means what? 1 and the negative 8, the other vertex. Okay, guys, I got the 2 vertices. Or I can add 6 to what? I can add and subtract 6 from center to get the vertex. To get vertex, 1 the same. And the negative 2 plus 6, and the negative 2 minus 6. It makes 1 and the 4 right, and 1 and the negative 8 also right. I got the 2 vertices. Then B with X. B square is 9. It means B is what? Positive negative 3. From center also. I'll go right 3. This is 2, 3, 4. I'll go right 3. I'll go left 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 1. Negative 2. Negative 3. My point here, 4, negative 2. This is my co-vertex. And here it's what? Negative 3, negative 2. My co-vertices. 4, negative 2, and the negative 3, negative 2. How can we get it? I add and subtract 3 to 1 in the vertices. Co-vertices. 1 plus B is 3, 1 plus 3, and the negative 2. This is my center, by the way. And the other one, 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 and the negative 2. It means this is negative 2, guys, because I go back 3. It means this part 1. 4 on negative 2 and the negative 2 and the negative 2. Okay. Now I made it ellipse like this. Okay. Now, guys, the main idea here, I put the vertex and the goal, and I check the direction. If the greater with y, it means I go up, down, A, up, down, A. If the greater with x, I go left, right from the center and check the final position. Final position, guys, that's what it's my vertices. Okay, then after I determine the vertices, I go to determine the co-vertex, which is what I go right and left from the center. Okay, guys, this one for transformed ellipse. Okay, this one, guys, also ellipse with what? In transformed way. He said the last one. How could we determine its ellipse, guys? I check the coefficient of x squared and y squared. If they are different, it means it's what? Ellipse. This one, ellipse. Different coefficient of x squared and y squared. If the coefficient of x square and y square same, it's a circle. If coefficient like this one, 3x squared plus 2x plus 3y squared plus 7y minus 3 equal to 0 is the same coefficient. It means it's what? It's a circle. Y, x square and y square is the same coefficient. It means it's a circle. Different coefficient, it means it's what? Ellipse. But the same sign, must be same sign. Now I would make what, guys? I would make, uh, how could we make a question? Only by using, yes, by using completing square. 10x squared plus 40x. 10x squared plus 40x plus 2y squared plus 30. 2y squared plus 30 equal to 0. I'm gonna make it fastly, guys. I'll take 30 to write and the 10 here common. 10 divide 10 because my coefficient must be 1. 40 divide 10 makes 4. Plus, I'll take 2 common from here. Sorry. 2y squared. Okay. Y square alone, I'll keep it the same. Equal to what? Equal to negative 30. Or we can divide all from the beginning by 2. By 2. To make y square alone. Okay? I can make like this one before I complete square. I can make all divide by 2. 10 divide 2 makes 5x squared. 40 divide 2 makes 20x plus 2y squared divide 2 makes y squared. 30 divide 2, 15 equal to 0. I'll take this one to write. 5 common now. 5 divide 5, 1. 20 divide 5, 4 plus space plus y squared equal negative 15. Y square alone, I will not make completing square for y. Now completing square for x. B divide 2 power 2. 4 divide 2 power 2 makes 4. I'll add here 4, but be careful. When I add to right, I must make 5 times 4, which is what? 20. Now 5, open bracket. Radical first x, radical third 2 squared plus y squared equals 5. Now, I need it equal to what? To 1, yes, great, because my standard form is equal to 1. I'll divide all by what? Divide this one by 5. Divide this one by 5. Divide this one by 5. This one cancelled. It means x minus 2 squared over 1 plus y squared over 5 equal to what? To 1. This is the question. Okay, guys. Now the bigger was what? Bigger was y. This is a square. A square is 5. It means 2.2. It means my a with y 2.2. My a with y 2.2. And my center negative 2, 0. Run negative 2, rise 0. Run negative 2. Back. Run negative 2, rise 0. Run negative 2, rise 0. It means. And I go up a is radical 5. And I go left to right 1 and they make my equation according to this xy. Because a is radical 5 and b is 1. Okay, guys, this is for ellipse. Thank you for being with me. Thank you, guys. Goodbye.